Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to use Audacity to record YouTube audio. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and go to Audio Setup. Over here, choose your playback device. This is where you'll hear your audio. For example, select your AirPods or any headphones you're using. After that, go to Recording Device and select your microphone. Then make sure both the playback and recording devices are set correctly. Once done, tap the record button and it will start recording your audio. Over here, keep an eye on the audio levels. If it peaks into the red area, lower your mic sensitivity. You're aiming to keep levels around -6 for good quality. After that, once your recording is finished, tap the stop button in the top left. Then go to File, tap Export and choose Export Audio. Pick your file name, format like WAV and folder location. Then click Export and your audio will be saved. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.